Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be talking about my hair. You've been asking me about my tape-in extensions and I'm finally filming a video for you guys. As you can see, let me just show you guys what they look like. Okay, so this hair is actually by Irresistible and I believe they are 22 inches. These extensions come all the way down to my waist. So if you watched one of my last vlogs, I'll put it up here somewhere, you guys saw that I did my hair extensions, my tape-in extensions. You guys have been following me for a while. You guys know that I love hair and I would wear clip-in extensions. I still love clip-in extensions, don't get me wrong, but I really wanted to try something that I could just wake up and have hair. And I've tried different types of hair extensions. I tried the individual fusion ones and I hated those. I got those about, let's say, 8 or 9 years ago and I really didn't like those. Those were so expensive and I hated them so much. I got into tapes and you guys, I am obsessed with tape-ins. Like when I used to hear about tape-in extensions, like when I worked in DC, my manager there, who is a hairstylist, would rave about tape-ins and I honestly didn't pay too much attention to it because I felt like they were just going to fall off like super quick. So I was just like, no, like I need it to stay in my hair. But I just gave it a try and I got tape-in extensions and you guys, best thing ever. The reason why I like them so much is because you don't feel them on your head. Like it feels like it's your hair, like it's growing out of your scalp. You don't feel anything with clip-ins. You guys know you feel it in your head, and these you don't feel anything at all. They're not heavy. They blend very well with my hair, and the color was easy, of course, because my hair is black. This is a lot of hair. I don't know how many pieces I have in. I know I have less than 40 pieces and over 20, so in between there. And these are the extensions right here that I'm wearing. These are by Irresistible. This is the packaging that it comes with. It does have a little sample section right here that you open the first time to see if it matches you, so you can see the quality of it. It's like a little sample piece and it looks like this. It's so pretty and bouncy, but this is just so you can see that it matches your hair and just to be sure that this is the shade for you, because if it's not, you can always return it if you haven't opened the bigger side. So the smaller side, it's just a sample so you guys could see how it looks. And of course, jet black is my color, so I got jet black and I believe I got 22 inches. So I opened the sample package and it was perfect, so I was like, yes, I will definitely be using this hair. I didn't apply all the pieces because I didn't need all of them. It's always good to have extra. I believe this is 20 pieces, but this is what it comes with. It looks like a little bit, but once you put like 3 bundles together, it's so much hair. And I have all of those pieces left, and look at all this hair. I swept it to the side, but look at all this hair. It's so pretty. It feels so good. I washed it a few times already. It still looks beautiful. It blends in with my natural hair very, very well, and I'm just obsessed with the quality of this hair. I've tried clip-in extensions that I would wear not every single day and they would get so matted and it'll look like a bird's nest, and it was horrible. But these extensions, for being tape-ins, that I wear them every single day and I sleep in them and I shower in them and I sweat in them, they look amazing still. They're not dry, they're not like straw. I know a lot of extensions will tend to feel like straw if you use it a lot, but this still feels amazing and I'm just obsessed with it. It's thick and it's thick from the top to the bottom, so I really like that about these extensions. And I like that it comes with an extra set of tape, so you can always use it again. So once your tape-ins start to grow out, you can get your hairstylist to put more glue on it and you can use them again and get them installed. You could have a family member do it. I mean, it's very easy to install them. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like inside, because it's very hard to find the pieces. Like, I can flip my hair around and tie it up and you won't even see the pieces. So I can like do a high ponytail. It depends on how the person installs them, because they know that you're not supposed to put them like too close to the front, too close to the back, so that way you can still wear your hair in a ponytail. And you guys, when I wear my hair in a ponytail, it feels like I am tying up my real hair, because it's pulling from your scalp, but it's not like hurting or anything like that. It's very natural, and I just love them so much. If you guys like hair extensions and never tried tape-ins, you guys are gonna try tape-ins, because it is life-changing. It is a little bit on the pricey side, of course, but honestly I think it's worth it because I don't drop a lot of money on my hair. The most I would do is like the hair extensions, like the clip-ins, but I'm not the type of person to drop like $500 to get my hair dyed, or you know, all of that stuff. Like if you get highlights, balayage, that does get a little bit pricey throughout the months and throughout the year. So I feel like I should spoil myself a little bit when it comes to my hair, and that is the reason why I got tape-ins. And of course I do love full luxurious hair, so I am very glad that I was able to try out these extensions and have them installed. But let me show you guys what it looks like in here. Let me get closer. It's very hard to find a piece. They're just like in there. Okay, so here's one. I don't even know if you guys can see. Okay, so this is a tape right here. This is it. I know you guys can see it. It is bonded to a very thin piece of hair. So what they would do is grab a little bit of hair like this. Literally like a little piece of hair like that, and they would put one tape here, plug this up to that sticky side, and then sandwich them together. You know what I mean? So it's very secure. I pull my hair so much with my comb when I'm combing it, and not a lot of hair comes out. It's very normal to get a few little hairs come out even with your natural hair, but it's not like tons of hair coming out. I can put it in a ponytail. I just yank off the ponytail. I shower, I massage my scalp, clean the hair. The only thing I don't like, which isn't an issue but I just don't like it, is when you wash your hair and you let it air dry. Because if you let it air dry, like all your hair will get dry, but this part, like your scalp right here where you have the hair extensions, it's gonna feel moist and it's uncomfortable for me. But I don't mind it because I can just take the blow dryer and just quickly dry it and it's done. But I just don't like the feeling of having moist hair. Like, you know when you wash your hair and you put it in a bun and then you take it out and it's moist? I don't like that feeling. So I always blow dry my hair right after I wash it. I wash it about every 3 or 4 days. I do use dry shampoo for the top part of my head because I don't like to wash my hair every day anyways. But my hair does get really clean. I get in there and I wash my hair really good. I only put conditioner on this part of the hair. I don't put conditioner in here because they do say that you can't put too much product where the tapes are because it won't last as long. So I stay away from adding any product to my scalp, and if I do add conditioner, it'll probably be to the front part right here where I really don't have a lot of the tape in. I stay away from adding products to the tape areas, but other than that I do apply conditioner and I do apply products to the hair, and it's still in very good condition. And I was just very excited to do this video. I really wanted to have the extension on for a while so you guys could see what it looks like, so you guys can see my full review, because a lot of you guys were asking me about the extensions. You could order the extensions. I'll put a link down below for you guys, and have them installed by someone who knows how to put them in. I've seen people who have like their sister help them. There's tons of videos on how to apply tape and extensions, so you could do it yourself. You could just buy the hair and have someone put it in for you. I know a lot of hairstylists do charge to get them installed. I'm not sure how much they charge. It could be anywhere from $200 and up depending on your hairstylist, and not all hairstylists know how to put it in. But I know that if you were to watch a video, you could probably have someone help you, just because the back part is a little bit harder to do, and you want to make sure that you sandwich them very well if you want them to last a while. I also seen people sandwich them together and quickly just pat it with the straightening iron just to get like that nice stick to it, and then they just push down the hair. So the key is to sandwich the pieces together so it makes one piece, and that's why you need a good amount of strips to get full hair. But you guys, hair extensions, the tape-ins are amazing. I feel like the quality is good. I feel like the price is definitely worth it. So if you guys want to check out Irresistible Me, I'll put a link down below for you guys, and you guys are going to love it. They do have different shades. Let me open this so you guys can see what it looks like. But they do have so many different shades, and I'm sure someone will be able to help you match if you send them a picture. But let me show you guys what 20 pieces looks like. So 20 pieces in reality is like 10 pieces because they're going to be sandwiched together. But this is what they look like. This is the tape, and then you remove the white part, and that's the sticky part. So the sticky part is what you sandwich together with your real hair. So thick from the top all the way to the bottom, and I really like that because there's a lot of hair extensions out there that they'll just be very thick here and just get really thin from the bottom, and they don't even look right. They look very cheap, but these look very expensive and very luxurious, high quality. Feels amazing. You can straighten it, you can curl it like I did, and it just looks so pretty. So this is a new package. Like, it still looks really pretty and shiny, like the hair that I have in right now. So that is it for this quick review on the Irresistible Me hair extensions. Don't forget to check out the description so you guys can get more information. Please leave a comment down below if you guys have any questions on like the hair. If you have any questions on anything else that has to do with the hair, just let me know down below and I'll answer it for you guys. I know at first I watched like tons of videos on the tape-ins because I wasn't sure if I wanted them, but you guys, I am so glad that I was able to try them, and I'm so obsessed. Like, when I'm obsessed with something, I want to share it with the world because it's just amazing. Like, I just really like the extensions. And yeah, that is it for this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.